Hey everyone, friends. Today I'll show you how to install Flow for After Effects. First, open any browser. Type in Flow After Effects. Now let's go to the first site. And here we have Flow. It costs $35, but you can try the free version. Click it and it'll download this zip file. Open it up and you'll see a folder with this file inside. We need to unzip it and rename it. Change it to zip. Press enter, click. Next, open this file, and as you can see, there are files here. You just need to unzip it and extract to the current folder. Let's put it here. Oh, that's a problem. Why did all the files spill out here? But it's not a problem. Just create a folder and name it. Like this, and move all the files here. And then you can delete this folder that appears. We need to copy it, right? Then go to this PC, C drive, program files, x86, common files, Adobe. Here, go to CEP, then extensions, and paste our file. There's our flow. Now just open After Effects. Go to the extensions window, select it, and activate it in the program itself. See you all.